Keychron is back with a bang. After launching the Keychron K1 and K2, we're excited to introduce the Keychron K4, a revolutionary wireless mechanical keyboard providing premium typing experience for unbeatable productivity. The K4 is available in two different types of switches, the optical switch and the Keychron switch. If you want a gaming keyboard or one for your daily desk use, K4 is perfect for all situations. With the superior optical mechanical switches, you can type and play at the speed of light with the responsiveness of 0.2 milliseconds. When you press the key, a light beam will pass through, sending an instant signal to your computer. Tested for 100 million keystrokes, the optical mechanical switches are twice as durable as regular mechanical switches. K4 offers various Keychron switch options as well for an exceptional experience. Whether you prefer linear, clicky, or something in between, we've got you covered. The K4 features a 96% key layout to maintain a compact look without compromising on the most essential keys. K4 also features its signature Keychron qualities like effortless functioning in both wireless and wired mode. Having more than 15 RGB backlight options, perfect compatibility with Windows and Mac OS, and pairing with up to 3 devices for high productivity. With an 8.5-degree ergonomic angle foot on the base and a battery capacity of 4,000 mAh makes K4 perfect for people who love to hustle. Keychron K4, an ultimate keyboard at the best value you can ever ask for.